Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product duo that promises to give your hair some serious TLC. The Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, number 4 and number 5. These two are designed to enhance your hair's shine, softness, and overall health, while also tackling frizz and split ends. But how well do they actually work in real-life use? Let's find out. First, let's break down the product. The number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo is formulated to cleanse the hair while improving its manageability and shine. It targets hair health by repairing damage and boosting softness. Meanwhile, the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner is all about conditioning, promising to reduce split ends, frizz, and flyaways while dramatically improving manageability. Both products work together to leave your hair feeling healthier, shinier, and smoother. I've been using these for a couple of weeks now, so let's talk about how they performed in real-world testing. The shampoo lathers up nicely and feels gentle on the scalp. It doesn't leave your hair feeling stripped or dry, which I really appreciated. After rinsing, my hair felt clean but not over-dried, which is often a concern with other shampoos. The conditioner, on the other hand, has a rich texture that made it easy to distribute through my hair. After rinsing, my hair felt soft but not weighed down. It helped with detangling, making the whole process smoother. Now here's where it gets interesting. While both products did an excellent job in terms of softness and manageability, I didn't notice as dramatic a reduction in frizz as I expected, especially during humid weather. On the plus side, my hair did look shinier and healthier overall, so they certainly deliver on that promise. However, if you're someone with very frizzy or damaged hair, you might need an extra boost, maybe something with added smoothing agents. Pros: the shampoo and conditioner combo definitely lives up to its claim of improving shine and softness. They leave your hair feeling nourished, healthy, and manageable. The scent is subtle yet pleasant, and the products don't leave any residue. I also noticed less breakage over time, which is a big win for anyone dealing with fragile hair. Cons: on the flip side, while they did help with frizz, they didn't completely eliminate it. The results weren't as noticeable in the humidity, and if you have very damaged hair, you might need something with a bit more punch. The price point is also something to consider. While they perform well, they are on the higher end for hair care products, especially if you're on a budget. As for value for money, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner offer solid quality, but are priced higher than many other shampoo-conditioner combos. If you're investing in these, you're paying for premium ingredients, so it's about how much you value that kind of hair care. If you're looking for something with similar benefits at a lower cost, you could look into brands like Olaplex or Pureology, which also offer excellent results for hair repair and shine, but at different price points. When it comes to build quality, these products feel premium in both the texture and packaging. The large 33.8-ounce bottles should last quite a while, so you're getting a good amount of product for the price. And based on the 2 weeks I've used them, there's no noticeable degradation in performance, so I'm confident these products will last over time without losing their effectiveness. I didn't need to reach out to customer service for anything during my testing, but the brand is known for responsive support and offering a reliable satisfaction guarantee if anything goes wrong. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative that still offers healthy, shiny hair, consider checking out L'Oréal Paris Elvive or Shea Moisture, which offer products designed to repair and smooth hair without the steep price tag. Final verdict: the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner do what they say on the label, improving shine, softness, and manageability. However, if you're dealing with stubborn frizz or really damaged hair, you may want to add a more specialized product to your routine. That said, they're a solid choice for anyone looking to improve hair health with noticeable results. If this review was useful to you, please give it a like, subscribe to Beautyistic, and click that bell icon so others can find this review too. Your engagement helps so much. Thank you for watching today's review. If you have any thoughts or questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your hair with some Beautyistic love